Dear Santa, I've been a good camper this year, but camping with an ice chest just sucks. Can you please bring me a SetPower RV45S for the rig this year? Merry Christmas. Sincerely, Traveling by Tacoma. I really hope Santa got my letter. I hope he likes beer and pizza too. I'm out of cookies. Is it Christmas? It's Christmas! You!
When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man.
Okay, let's install the new slide and fridge. First, let's remove my old DIY fridge slide. I'm going to reuse my mounting hardware, which are just standard T-nuts and some Allen head machine screws. The dimensions of the slide are shown here. I use 6 screws spread out over the base of the slide. The base of the slide has multiple mounting hole locations. This slide is super beefy. I have no doubt it'll last a long time. Another really nice feature of the slide is it comes with 4 heavy-duty tie-down straps. All right, let's throw this bad boy in there. Not only is this fridge going to increase the capacity for food and drink, but it's the right color theme too. Just a little customization and cleanup here. I run this fridge off my 100 amp hour lithium battery. The fridge will run for multiple days on just one charge of that 100 amp hour battery. Your experience may be different, but I'm loving this thing so far. My previous SetPower refrigerator did not have this light. This light is an awesome upgrade. If you're interested in purchasing this refrigerator or slide, there'll be a link in the description below with a discount code to save you some money. Now it's official. Over the last year, we've been really impressed with the SetPower quality and consistency while using their products. We're really excited about getting out there further and longer with this new RV45S fridge.